Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. I wasn't there at home, so I couldn't make the videos, but I posted the daily analysis on Twitter, and those who don't follow me on Twitter, I posted on the community tab, under the community tab on YouTube. If you look at here, that is from the past 2 days in the EOD analysis, I kept on saying that buy on dip. Okay, so my final verdict was buy on dip, and even in this one as well, like it was buy on dip. So the reason was being that on Monday also I caught the call buyers who were there present at 2300, and today also I caught the call buyers who were again present at at 2300. Okay, so in the morning here, bought calls about 22400 14 March, and also at 22300 CE at 59.60, just at the bottom. Okay, and got the perfect reversal, and also I mentioned that at the last red candle someone bought it at 72. So we were very safe at this level, price level, that is soon after we bought, things started moving up, and as like I caught even perfectly, some big buyers they bought it at 72, and finally where the price went, it went to 243. But the main problem was I closed early, very early, so at 75 at a 25% profit. Okay, so even though it went to 83, then I was trailing the profits, and then it came down to almost 70, and so in between it got my trade got closed at 75, and also the 14th March closed it at 127. But the main point being here, and also the put writing gave profit, but the thing is that yes, we caught the reversal. So let's go to the 15 minutes chart. So we caught the reversal just at the perfect bottom. So this support level 22,220 was earlier also shared, and you see near about that things started moving up. Okay, so you can go and check the past analysis, and but there was a problem here, that is this technical analysis which suggested that some bearish divergence is forming here. The next candle also came red, but then after it shot up. So as I have already taught you how to understand that bearish divergence has been negated, or a bullish divergence, whatever, has been negated. So when you are looking for a bearish divergence, so what you do is map from minimum to maximum, or maximum to minimum, right? So wherever that maximum is, if Nifty cross, or whatever the index is, if it crosses that level, so your divergence gets negated. So here today it was almost at around 22,300, where your divergence is getting negated. And so between the maximum and minimum there was not a huge gap. So you could have, even if you followed, you could have got out at a very minimal loss. And the thing was that even below this bullish divergence was forming, and so the perfect reversal was caught, but due to this bearish divergence had to close it. But then after it just shot up. So from tomorrow onwards I'm not following technical analysis, because technical analysis nowadays it's not working, and you can very well see that as well, every now and then, like Nifty is shooting up. Okay, and it's shooting up when most of the data points are bearish. Okay, so that's what the main problem is. Even on that Thursday, if you remember, from 1952 it shot up 350 points. Okay, so when in the second half every one was bearish, the data was bearish, it shot up by 350 points. So the problem is not of shooting up. The problem is that whenever data is bearish, it's shooting up. Whenever data is bullish, it's not. So data is bearish or bullish, I mean technical analysis. Okay, so like the PCR ratio, okay, it's also technical analysis. Monday it was above 1.2, market did not go up. For 2 days it halted, and then when PCR ratio was went to 0.8, market shot up. Okay, so that's why technical analysis these days are not working. I'm not going to follow it from tomorrow onwards, but I'll sometimes post these bearish divergences. So 6 to 7 months back I try to include these analysis in my analysis. So mainly how I gain my followers is because I could catch these put buyers and call buyers in the live market while they are buying it live, like today. at 72 I knew that they bought. Okay, so that's why people got to know me. And but what happened 6 to 7 months earlier, so this technical analysis was working fine, and I thought of including it in my analysis. But then nowadays, like past 2 to 3 months, I'm seeing that if I follow technical, if I include technical analysis, it's hampering my analysis, the main analysis that I do of catching the put buyers, call buyers, or the writers as well. So the big guys. So so from tomorrow onwards, I'll follow my own analysis. If I post, I'll be not following. Okay, it's for you to understand, and also I taught you where you should understand the divergence got negated. Okay, so anyways, now let's talk about the other data points. So Nifty is going up, and it should go up again further. And also, like FIs and DIs, they are both bought, and today FIs bought for like more than 2000 crores. Talking about FinNifty going up has these resistance zones, and for Bank Nifty again there is not much resistance up ahead. So Bank Nifty is free to move up, and also you can see cash buying is going on in Nifty. And also if you look at here, that is some cash buying also went in Bank Nifty. Mainly the cash buying went in Bank Nifty on Monday, which I also mentioned. Just go and check Monday's EOD data, or yesterday's. So I mentioned that in Bank Nifty the mainly buying was happening, and today Bank Nifty was up and while Nifty was down in the morning. Now talking about the EOD data analysis, so if you see here, that is FIIs, they have done long and close some of their short positions in futures, and PropDex also went long, so both are long now in futures. Talking about FII's overall data in the March in options, so put writers, they are also call writers, but overall mostly they are put writers. And talking about PropDex, so they are the ones who are winning. So every day in the EOD data, I told you that PropDex are call buyers. Today also they are call buyers and put writers. Okay, so they are the one who are winning in the current scenario. And even yesterday also, like if you look at the EOD data, so it was FIIs who did the futures short. Okay, but the PropDex did futures long. So the PropDex are winning, and nothing could be done about it. So we should follow more like what the PropDex are doing. Anyways, so that's my analysis. And talking about our indicators, so as you can see, like the indicator from our AI indicators, so from 12:55 onwards, the score jumped from 4 to 30, and it went up, and also Nifty went up. So talking about again our Bank Nifty as well. So in the last half, as you can see, the score was negative, and Bank Nifty came down while Nifty went up in the last half. And yeah, talking about the option chain, 22,300 call buys are there. So the call buys are not only today. So I even mentioned to my members on Monday as well, the call buys are there. And today I was ready to buy on dip. I was waiting for the morning. I did it. But anyways, this technical analysis of bearish divergence, that distracted me, and so that's why I'm not following such analysis from tomorrow onwards. So I'll just go with my put buys and call buys that I do. So that's why like these I have gained these followers over the time. So they have seen that how I nicely catch these buyers, and also the writers as well. So mostly the buyers, because they are going to give you, like once you catch a buyer, what happens is you can also do writing on the other side. If you know that call buyers are there, so you can easily do put writing. Okay, and also do call buying. So both are allowed. But if a writer is there, if you know that call writers are there, so market might not just sharply fall down, it might consolidate as well. So that's why like catching the buyers is a very special thing to do. And once you do, like I have shown these to my members several times in the past. And so that's what I'm going to do from tomorrow, and I'm going to exclude the technical analysis. But yes, as I said, I'll be posting the technical analysis, but it's up to you to follow or not. I won't be following personally, and you know if it gets negated, when it gets. So just for the bullish divergence, look at the minimum, and for the bearish divergence, wherever the maximum is, just try to look at the maximum and draw a line. And if that line crosses, you must know that your RSI divergence got negated. Okay, So that's it for this video. So that's my analysis for today. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.